everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Teacher Casey, and today I am here with Luna and Goliath. If we can get him over here. Sometimes he comes over and joins us, and sometimes he doesn't. But today we are going to open a bark box. I know, you would just love it. You want a snack? So, okay, sit down. This was from a previous bark box. These are the Jack-O-Loops, so I wonder if we're going to get them again since, you know, October and November are coming up. So, all right, Luna, here's your bark box. You ready? Let's see. This is the Great Outdoors. And I haven't looked in this one yet. I just opened it because last time I had trouble opening it. So I just opened it. Everything sits inside on top of this. I just pulled it out of there. There's usually, you know, something fun, and it talks about the different toys on here usually. So Butt Sniff Welcome Center. You don't get the joke, do you? Butt Sniff, get it? Okay, so oh, she's drooling on me. All right, so the first thing we have, it's a Hearty Honeycomb. So the toys and the box that I chose is the Super Chewer box, and because she is a pit bull, she's got sharp little teeth, sharp big teeth. So the Super Chewer toys help keep her busy, and she can't destroy them like she destroys little stuffies. She does love little stuffies though. So we have the little beehive, and then we have, you want that toy? We have Mega Moo Jerky Bites. This is a beef lung recipe. And then we have Cheesy Peasy Soft Bake. So one thing, my dogs can't have cheese. Not really sure about Luna. She gets kind of a sensitive stomach, but Goliath is actually allergic to cheese. So I usually save these and give them as, all right, have a seat, as Christmas gifts to my niece's dog, my daughter's dog, like somebody else's pup. So I think she wants to play with this one. All right, let's see what else is in here. This has the Chomp Fire Bear. Oh, he's cute. He's a cute one, Luna. Yeah, she's totally laying on my arm right now, so it's hard for me to move. And then it also came with an apple cinnamon flavor donut, a wholesome dog treat. So that's it for this month's bark box. So somebody used my code last month. Thank you to whoever it was, because Luna and Goliath got some money off their next box, their next toy, whatever I want to use it for. So use the code below, or somewhere on the screen we'll put it, or in the description box. She's so lovey right now. And you will get something, and my pups will get something. And that's about it. Let me know if you have any questions. Put them below. And I just love these teacher pet series where I get to show off my dogs. I need to show off Goliath a little bit more, but he just kind of likes to lay around. But he's got a little vet appointment because he has hip dysplasia. He is 85 pounds. He's a lab mix. And I'll put a picture up somewhere on the screen so you can see him again. I've done that in other videos. And so he's got hip dysplasia since he was about 8 months old. And Luna is Luna, huh? She's about 65 pounds, between 60 and 65. So, all right, everybody, that's all we have for you today. And I'll see you all next time. Goodbye. Lucia, bye. You're just gonna lay in my hand? Okay. Bye, everybody. Oh, don't forget to like and subscribe and share. Bye.